Recording. Okay. Yeah. So we're looking for a module that we would like to add GitHub Actions, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So go to CPAN Digger. Not here because it's easier than CPAN Digger to find it. So CPAN-Digger and .perlmaven.com. Okay, and here you have the most recent uploads. Yeah, recent. Yeah, both links go to the same. And so here you can see the modules that have GitHub on the first line, and then there's the thing add CI now. Yeah. So this is right click on that one and then open it. That's one thing that we need, and the other one. So this is the documentation of how to do it. We'll need it later. Let's go to the module first. Okay, so go click on that one, and then at the top of the page you have another link to. Actually, there is the link to GitHub in the VCS column. That also goes there.
Yep, or doesn't.
And not found. Okay, so that's. No, that won't be found. That's actually a bug. So okay, let's try this one. Copy the name of the module, Tree-STR.
Yeah.
Let me just explain what happens now. The module has an invalid information in it, okay, in the metadata. And so MetaCPAN also incorrect links to the incorrect place. So let's try to find this module, okay?
On GitHub, you mean?
Go to GitHub, yeah, and search for this module. Maybe it's there in some other place. Okay. The alternative to this, okay, I'm not sure that's easy. Okay, we can look for language Perl. Okay, that's a good point.
Maybe this one. Looks
Click
alright.
on this one, but before we could do anything with it, what you can do is go back to the page on we had earlier on.
No, okay.
And click on top on the name of Slafan at the top.
Yeah.
Click on it so we know who is this person. Sean Lafan. Okay. So you can also. Yes.
Looks alright.
Looks like that. That's the right one. So go now. This one has a Makefile.PL. You can see it. Click on it.
Yep.
And actually, before that, go back just a second. You can see that it has GitHub workflows at the top. So it has GitHub Actions, but because the system had the incorrect. So this is a bug also in the CPAN Digger that it should report that it can't that the link to the repository is incorrect. Okay.
Yeah.
We are going to fix now the link to the repository. Okay. So go to the Makefile.PL of this module. And it has a repository at the bottom. You can see. No, not at the bottom. Sorry, line 30. And this is not the right one. Okay. So you can.
No, it's not. No. Yeah, it has Perl in. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you can copy from the top from the URL. And then you can click here. You don't even need to clone the repository. You just click here the edit button. You fork it. So this will fork you the repository. And then you are editing now the file. And you can change the. Just remove the end part and then .git there. And the web. Yeah, it's that one.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah, it's easier. And then there's another one on the bug tracker. And that's it. You commit. You on the green button. Copilot already wrote. You can.
Yeah, I suppose that's fine.
You can. Okay, that's fine. It's
do we want something else?
I would probably write fix the repository URL, not update. But
yeah, good point.
And one more thing, you can write chore at the beginning, CHOR. Yeah, with lowercase c usually, and the colon. Yeah, so this is so. I don't know if this is a sort of a standard of writing this not really relevant of a.
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, you can propose the change. And train, I don't know where did it go. Yeah, so it created a branch locally called patch1. You can see at the top. You can see, and then it sends the pull request to the main branch. That's fine. And that's it. So create the pull request now. Yeah, that's
All
it.
right.
Yeah, one more click. Too many clicks, but that's it. Okay. So first,
nice.
First pull request. That was quick. Now let's find another one, something more involved. Let's go back to the
maybe more difficult. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, this is already a contribution because the next time.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Right. So let's go back to the list of the recent ones and find another module that does also has similar thing. Okay.
Maybe this one.
Okay, we can try to see it. Okay, go to GitHub. Okay, right.
Correct
so this
link.
It has the correct link and it doesn't have the .github folder. So
does not. No.
Yeah. So this one I would. You can decide if you want to clone it locally. You don't really need it. You can just create a fork and you do everything in the UI. But
Why not?
this one I wouldn't edit. Just I would create a. Actually, you can even do this here. I think you can add the file here. You can click on Add File. Okay, you need to fork this repository. That's okay. Don't worry about the unexpected error of the. Well, click on the fork this repository.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, that's what it gives you this error. Oh, okay. So try there.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. We are not the only ones writing bugs.
Indeed.
Okay, so now add file. Hopefully we can do this.
Yep.
Okay, and that one you have to be careful. .github / workflows / ci.yml. Actually, the name doesn't matter. It's just some YAML file. Okay, and then the content. Let's go to the documentation, to the articles. So I think it was the rightmost. No, not that one. The rightmost tab.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here, if you scroll down, I should make it clearer. There is in the middle somewhere. There is
an example file.
No. It's one of the articles. Just stop scrolling. Set up GitHub Action for per module. Just one. That's my cursor. Yeah. I wanted to say this just below the cursor, but it was my cursor. So yeah, okay. So you can scroll down a little bit. And here you can see the various versions. Now let's go back for a second to the project because I don't remember. Do you remember? We probably need yeah. It's using Makefile.PL. Okay,
Indeed.
fine. Okay, it doesn't really matter. We just need that version of the CI. Okay, so go back to the article. And you can copy this one. And before you save it, before you commit it, let's look at, you can, let's say the title, you can remove the Makefile part. because it's just at the top, first line. No. Just keep the thing. Just keep just the Makefile. Remove the Makefile because the word Makefile. Sorry, at the top. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It just in my examples, if each one has its different name and
I see.
not, a quick explanation. Or do you know GitHub Actions?
I don't. I do know. My CI stuff I run in GitLab only. I've never used GitHub Actions.
Okay. Good. So quick explanation. So this is just a name. Doesn't really matter.
Yep.
Then on means the triggers. When should this run? So on push, on pull request, and the workflow dispatch means that it can be run manually through the UI.
Yep.
And there was also commented out scheduled jobs. Some people, I sometimes like to add scheduled jobs. So once in a while, it will run all the tests and then see if the new versions of my dependencies break my code. Okay? But let's leave it out. And then there is the jobs. And then in the jobs, there is something called Perl job. Doesn't really matter.
Yeah, that's just the name. Yeah.
No, the name does the name and the YAML file doesn't have to be the same. It's just totally random. So it runs on Ubuntu, and it can theoretically run many versions of Perl, but right now only the 5.42 is enabled because let's play with one for now. Okay, so
Yep.
Okay, and the fail fast just means that if you have multiple of if the matrix is bigger and there are multiple things, then what to do if one of them fails? Shall we continue the others or stop or okay? So fail fast, false means just keep going till each one of them either succeeds or fails. Okay, then it says line 21 says that inside that Ubuntu, we are going to use actually a Docker container. So we're not natively running on the Ubuntu. We are using this container. And it is based on the version of Perl. So the matrix.perl version is where we use that value. Okay, so then the name is of this specific job. This is the name of it. And then it has steps. The first step is checking out the repository, the uses line. And the second step is running the tests. Now, in this case, I have it twice. So you can actually get rid of the lines 26 till 31, you can get rid of, you can remove, because we have it twice. And here you can change the name a little bit. So it's not prepare for release test, so prepare for test. And I think we can, the CPAN name, we can add to the install dep, we can add no test. What we had earlier, just in the previous one we had, minus no test. No, okay, wait a second. There is a space after the no test, between the no test and the dot, there should be a space, and two dashes be in front of the no test, not one, two. Okay, this one you can remove because it's just there to have an example. Later we might need to add some of them, but you can for now remove.
Yep.
And so this is one step, installing the dependencies, and the next step is actually running the tests.
Yep.
Turning on the release testing, and that's it. So you can now commit the changes. But before we commit the changes, let's make sure that everything looks nice. Okay.
Just a second, I'm just interested in comparing to a GitLab CI file.
Yeah.
So this is just an example for
sure.
One of my internal. I just write it very simply, no names or anything, and just one big message job.
Yeah.
That's generally how I do the CI stuff.
Okay.
This is way more. It's clearer, definitely, than just having a bunch of scripts, for sure.
Okay.
So we're committing?
Yeah. Here, wait a second. Now change at the bottom. You can change the text also, but at the bottom, we don't want to change commit to the main branch. We want to create a new branch. Okay. And the name.
Add a description.
Yeah.
You've got this Perl testing point out. I added this with Gabor something, just a point so that anyone that comes, I mean, these are notes to yourself in some time, but it helps if there's something in here that you remember how and why you did it. Because at least it helps me remember what the hell I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damien Conway likes to say that these comments are love notes to yourself.
Okay. Put at subgob. At mark subgob. SZ. No, SZ. No. That was good. The mark SZ without the mark. Yeah. SZAB. GAB.
Okay, that's your GitHub username.
Yeah, that's my. Yeah, it will link to me, I guess.
Probably will.
I know who to blame.
But also put it in the live. Then add the more text in the live or online session for contributing to open source projects.
Something like that.
Okay, good.
And before publishing, we can give correct branch name. Like, not correct, more descriptive branch name. Yeah.
I suppose, yeah.
Yeah,
Any
you
suggestions?
can. I don't think it matters much, but yeah, okay.
Do we have a suggestion?
Add CI file like that.
Yeah, you can remove the whole thing. Just add CI.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Now, okay. So now committed. Don't send pull request yet. Okay.
Yeah.
Because we would like to make sure that it actually works. So click on at the top. You can click see actions.
Yep.
It's supposed to run now in your. So it's your fork. Right? And it's running in your fork. And it will take some time, but it will hopefully run.
Succeeded, it says.
Yeah, okay, let's see so you can see the release test entry.
Yep.
That's where actually the tests are running. So we can see that
we have
there is a warning. Okay.
Yep.
Fine, but it succeeded. So that's fine. So we don't need anything else. You can copy paste this warning, and in the pull request you can add the note that
right. Yeah, I suppose.
I mean, I would actually write there that note during the test we can see this warning. Okay. Any comments from the audience? Suggestions?
It's not so clear what we want to say with this warning.
Sorry?
I
didn't understand you.
It's not clear what we want to say with this warning. So probably the next warning should be fixed later or
the
something.
comment would be we should go back to this line and find why this happens. This doesn't affect the test outcome, but we should find a way to avoid it, period. I mean,
You
Oh,
mean
we
add
can
that
do
in
that.
the...
Sorry?
Yeah.
note that you saw it, note that it doesn't affect the test outcome. So this does seem like it's worth committing this, but yeah, we're going to work on finding a fix for it.
Charlie has a comment here that might be a good idea, that instead of adding here, just open an issue with this.
Yeah.
Good point. Yeah.
Open an issue with that in it, but then leave this comment in it so that someone can tie it back.
Can you link to issues in the pull
Yeah.
request?
Yeah.
Sure, sure. You just mentioned them with the hash mark
Yeah.
and the number of the issue.
So issue on my fork or on the original projects?
No, in the original project. But you can send this pull request. It's okay. You can send the pull request, and then you can, from the issue, you can link back to the pull request.
Okay. So maybe that way around instead.
Yeah.
Instead of mentioning the issue here. Or
Yeah, you can
maybe
just send a pull request, and then here you can say, go to the issues and create an issue. But one of them has to be ready before the other. So
yeah. In which order would you do it? Link to the issue from the pull request?
Doesn't matter. As happens. Probably I would finish this one first, and then I think about it.
All right. What's the file anyway? Type terms.
Probably
Sorry?
maybe link to the output from CI, or we can take screenshot of
Good point.
output
Yeah.
CI.
You can link, but that will be gone after a few months. They're removing the output, so it's not. I don't think that is a big issue, but you can do that. Sometimes I link to outputs, but
Then we can take screenshot. It will not be removed.
yeah. But what's the point of the screenshot? You copied the text.
Do we want the full or just the warning?
Doesn't matter. I mean, you have the warning already.
Yeah. So maybe just the issue, maybe just this.
I wouldn't. I mean, it's nice that you want to work so hard, but I would just leave it this way. If you want to, I mean, you can add more context to it, but
I wanted to look at the file, I suppose.
okay. So which one? What was it? It's in. So it's not in blib. It's in lib. Blib is only the temporary location of it.
Yeah.
So it's lib protocol.
Sys-Virt type params. Yeah, it's this one. Line 81. The warning was useless use of hash element.
It looks like params is not defined on 77.
It's brought on from whatever he's calling it.
I mean, if you would like to really check this, then probably it's better to clone it locally and try to run it locally and add the print statement or whatever.
Yeah, true.
I mean, I wouldn't try to send a pull request for changing Perl code or whatever code.
Yeah, definitely not. No.
Without running. The CI runs there, so it's fine. And you can open the issue and then change it later. So that's also fine.
Yeah, for sure.
So
And you can also assign issues, right? So I can assign it to myself. Or
I'm not sure if you can do that. I don't know if you can do that, but don't worry. I don't think that in the open source world these assignments things really work that much.
Yeah. Maybe more of a corporate thing.
Yeah, incorporate, yes, but quite often people come to, no, not that often, but people come to my projects and they say, oh, I would like to work on it. Can I? And I say, yeah, sure, you can, but and then please assign it to me. And I say, no, I don't assign because then everyone else, because in most cases people get these assignments, then they leave because life,
right,
other whatever.
Yeah, there's no requirement for them to keep working on it.
Exactly, and then there's an assignment, and then there's this when at what time should I remove that assignment? It's not comfortable because now it means that okay, I got fed up waiting. So it's better I think not to assign to people. I mean, you can write okay, I'm working on it, but even that after a while, okay. So
Indeed.
So
something like that.
yeah, okay, fine with me.
And then how do we link?
Oh, sorry, I should have. So you can edit it. You can edit this one. The three dots. No, that's only the title, and the three dots in that line. No.
See where it says files changed? Go one. No,
Blue line, bluish line.
now immediately to the right of files changed, there's a vertical 3-dot menu. Right, you just passed it.
Okay.
No. Yeah. And add the hash mark. Oh, hash mark 2.
Is it?
That should be. No, this is. Which one are you? Sorry, you are editing the pull request. And you want to link to the issue, which is 2. Okay, that's it.
The issue is 1.
The issue is 1? And
yeah.
Okay, so hash mark 1. Wait, both the pull request and the issue are 1?
The pull request, okay, I see. The pull request is on my repo.
Do yourself a favor, click the preview button. Next to right, just click preview. And this will show you, click number 1.
Yeah.
So that allows you to check that these are the right hash marks.
Yeah.
In the preview, you can click on Gabor Szabo and you can double check that @ sign. You typed it correctly because he shows up.
Indeed.
It's always worth previewing this stuff because it's almost impossible to do that much markup in your head without screwing something up.
Yeah. Anyways, the point is that the pull request is on my fork, and the issue is on the original fork, the original repo.
Okay, so go back to your repository because we have to send the pull request to the owner.
Yeah.
Go to branch on the left-hand side. You have the main branch. No. Left to this. Left where you were. Okay.
Yep.
Change to the other branch. And I think you can say this branch is 1 commit ahead. You can click on that one, I think.
And here I can,
It
this
can,
repository.
are you sending to the right place now? Yes. You're sending from yours to theirs.
Yes, the
Okay.
arrow there. Yeah.
Okay. And now it's number 1.
Yeah. So this is the pull request. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So now we should do one here. Yep. Yeah, it says right there. Okay, good.
Okay. Good. You probably should remove close your pull request on your repository now. So,
Yeah. And create this one instead.
did you close it on yours, not on?
Yes, I closed it on mine. Lots of tabs.
Okay. What time is it now?
8:49
Okay.
in Sweden,
So,
anyways.
Jonathan, would you like to do also one? Yeah, it would be nice if you could paste
fire away. Yeah.
the link to the.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, nice one.
smile. There we go.
So, all right. Fire away with this. So what? Share screen, yeah.
Did I give you permission already or
No,
not?
I think I'm still a peasant, so.
Now you should be able.
All right.
And this closes one and fixes one is relevant when you actually close the bug. But we didn't. We just created a pull request to expose it, basically.
Yeah. Can everyone see the screen?
Yeah. So
Nice one.
we are looking for a module to
mess with. They where said was going to play with Limbark's.
Yeah, I'm trying to set the repository got wiped off of GitLab for some reason, so I'm trying to.
Okay, can you share the link?
No, because I have to set it up so that you have access.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
Don't worry about it.
We won't work on that one then.
Let's run with one that we're well-oiled machine. Where do we go then?
So we were trying to find one now?
Yeah. So packages most recently uploaded.
Go to the recent link at the top.
This one?
Yeah. And then we can find here a module that has GitHub, but you can actually find GitLab if you would like, if you prefer GitLab.
No, let's stick with
But
GitHub.
there are
for
very
time.
few modules that use
Have the account on GitLab.
But this one also, so the Tree-STR we already saw, then the Protocol-Sys-Virt, what we saw now. Okay, so you can scroll down further, and then we can see, DBI quick, of Exodist. That's he wrote the test 2 modules.
Oh, right. Well, I wouldn't be touching his stuff.
Well, here's one, Net-SSH-Perl.
Heavyweight.
This one.
Yeah.
Nice one.
That's
yeah, no, I'll be touching his. Absolutely not Mr. Foy.
No, all the people who would appreciate it if you found something that was odd and sensible.
All right, good point.
And his stuff, it tends to be pretty clean, so it's a good example of what to look at.
Okay, great. Let's do that.
But we don't have much to contribute here, right? So yeah. No, the quality is different. The coverage is missing.
Okay.
It's missing.
If you added the coverage, he would appreciate it.
Okay. Shall we have a look and see what is there, if there's anything that we can do. Okay,
you can try, but
okay.
Then you have to clone it and run the test locally and run CPAN and that will run the coverage. but it's a networking module, so it's gonna be.
So it's gonna fail because I'm on Windows, so guaranteed to fail.
That's even worse, yeah.
That's,
But
yeah,
it's also. So the thing is that we are looking for easy things here
Yeah.
right now, and the
Alright.
networking module is difficult to test
Mm-hmm.
because that's difficult.
It's networking.
About the question of Peter, how often does the CPAN Digger list update? I think it's scheduled once a day now.
Okay.
It's in GitHub. It's in GitHub. It's in the GitHub Action actually.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
So
Nice.
you can look at it how it works and
Nice.
Copy paste it. Yeah.
Manvar.
This looks good. What are you using for this, Gabor? Just as a side note, is it Bootstrap you're using?
Sorry?
Are you using Bootstrap? Oh, yes, you are.
I
Nice
think
one.
so, yeah.
Nice one. Okay. Anyone sees anything that they want us to?
So, okay, LNATION. Look for the modules of LNATION. Okay, take one of them, future batch
Any one of these, future batch
Yeah.
access.
access. Sorry. Go to the. We already had one project. So wait a second. Go to open a different tab because I don't remember where it is. Open a separate tab on the browser and open the osdc.codemaven page. That the one that the code-maven.com/Perl. There's a link to Perl.
Oh.
And LNATION, look for LNATION here. I just added the names. And so you can, that one,
This one?
already, you see this one, a PR, add metadata to allow MetaCPAN to link to. So Robert already had a module where I added this information. So we know where is his GitHub repository, where is his GitHub account, okay? So you can go click on that one and you can find his GitHub repository account.
Okay, where is he? This guy.
Yes.
Nice one.
Click on the okay. So
Which
now
one?
in here we might find the name of the one of the source code of one of his modules. I don't know. So go to repositories and then go back to the list of the recent, or you can just or you just remember the name. It's on the left hand side.
Future
something.
Future batch access. Okay.
Okay. Try if you have a future there. No. It seems. I mean, maybe he doesn't
Call it
use
that. Yeah.
GitHub that much. I don't know. Let's look for other modules.
See what else he's got that we can play with. Can we? If we click on this, will this tell me everything from LNATION?
Not really. The top one, the link one on the top.
This one.
The right hand, yeah. That goes to MetaCPAN because in the CPAN Digger we don't have the list of per author. That's maybe I should add it back, but processing time.
Okay.
So you can sort by date on the right hand side. Yeah.
17 minutes ago.
Yeah. So the mail, I looked for that one, I couldn't find it. But
okay.
So at one point, I'm also writing emails to these people, asking them where is their repository, and sometimes they answer. So you can pick one of them and try to see if.
Shall I have a look at this one? Then?
The problem that we want. So this one has a link to repository on the left hand side. You can see there is a link left top.
This one, yeah. GitHub.
Yeah, go click on that one. Let's see what's on the repository. It doesn't have GitHub Actions.
Okay.
So you can add
Easy
that
pickings,
one.
supposedly.
So would you like to run it, clone it? Okay, go ahead, clone it.
Is that what you do, yeah?
Well, if you do it locally, yes. Then
okay, and
get
then
in, CD into it, and then you have 2 windows for that. Okay. Oh, you're on Windows.
Yeah, don't hold it against me, please.
Okay, I'm not sure how to run. I haven't used Windows really for a long time. But
and
trust me. First, let's see what is in this. Okay, try to run this, but I don't think that it will.
Probably not. Is it cover test?
Yeah, it's good, but I'm not sure this is.
Die.
So let's see, dir,
All right.
whatever they say.
Tell you what, don't need to
Run
just
the
be.
Makefile.
Will it work? Will it work?
No, it's go ahead. It's fine. Let's see
Windows just
Windows.
won't.
Let's see Windows. No.
Oh, all right.
Don't
Okay.
be shy.
Yeah.
Just you have to run per Makefile.
Perl. Okay. And
Okay,
then
you need to import that module, the import export. What is import export? Why is it a module?
Sorry, to simplify things, on Windows, you can try to install Cygwin.
That's
oh God, no.
No, I wouldn't say that it's simplification, but yeah, okay, you can do that.
Okay, no, that's gonna be.
It's very
So-
easier to install Ubuntu, replace the.
I wouldn't. I mean,
That's gonna take a year and a
slap
day.
Linux on a nearby machine and just stick Windows in a VM.
CPAN, do you have CPAN installed? Probably.
CPAN?
CPAN
Or
and the name of the module.
subsystem.
Import export.
What makes it that like 100 times worse is the version of Perl I'm running on this box is actually one I compiled myself. It's compiled
If
for
someone
Windows.
uses Windows, it's fine. I mean,
You're allowed.
wait a second. Jonathan, right?
Listen. I'm planning to switch this week or next week.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
I'm the most
Do you know
amateur
Jonathan
person
that-
here, and I'm even using Ubuntu.
Oh,
Jonathan, who is one of the another very prolific Perl author. He's were using Windows.
all right.
He's one of the he was, I don't know, a core developer of Rakudo. And,
Oh, nice.
And he's using Windows, or at least 10 years ago when I last met him, he was using Windows.
10 years.
Exactly.
Okay, cover test. It's fine.
I wish I was 10 years younger.
I think he wrote the .NET version of the compiler.
Bloody hell.
So
He's a heavy hitter.
yeah.
Yeah.
And his name is Jonathan, so it's fine.
Oh, there you go. So partly why I actually have my own compiled version of Perl is because it's a work thing, and our system uses Perl on a Windows server. So I've had to come up with my own build script to build Apache and mod Perl and everything.
That's always fun.
Yeah, it's nice. Not
Mod Perl is hell.
Okay.
it's
Well,
nice. So it's passed.
Oh, pretty well, but the mod
Okay.
Perl stuff is living.
So that but we probably should add the GitHub action, right? It doesn't have GitHub action.
How do we go about that then?
Sorry?
How do we go about that then? The GitHub action.
You create locally, you create a create a folder called .github
Mm-hmm.
inside the project, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You create now you're on what is this? This is the
This is
the
it's
Git shell.
same Windows
the Git
box.
shell, okay.
It's a Cygwin Lite just for Git bash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you
So
say? Create a folder called
.github, and inside workflows,
another folder.
inside the GitHub workflows. Yeah, and inside you create a file called ci.yml.
Is it YML or
Doesn't matter.
YAML?
Doesn't matter. They both okay.
Okay, I'll use YML because he's using META.yml here.
Yeah, well, that's actually, I'm not sure. I think that's standard, but
Okay.
actually that shouldn't be there. But that's a generated file. It shouldn't be there.
What,
It
this
shouldn't be
Meta?
committed. Yeah, it shouldn't be committed. But
Oh, fair enough.
okay.
Okay, so let's modify that YAML file.
No. GitHub Action. Okay, GitHub Action. Focus GitHub Action.
Yeah.
Try not to get involved in the project because these things. So some people do it by mistake, and some people have their own ideology why it has to be there. And I don't want to argue, at least not the beginning. Okay.
Yeah.
So. So we open that file, the the one that you just created.
Mhm.
Yeah. And now go to the website where we have these examples, or you can go directly to the pull request that we just had that people
Yeah, let's
sent,
do that.
and you can copy from there.
Yeah, let's do exactly that. All right, what was that?
It's in the chat.
In the chat?
In the chat, there is a link to it.
Yeah, I pasted a link.
How do I even get to the chat from this one? All right, so from here, hold on, it's the wrong link I've clicked on. Whoops.
That's not that.
This one. And it's
Already merged. Oh,
wait a
nice.
second.
Come again?
What is the command beer? Thank you for contribution. I have seen the only what I don't understand why it's complaining. Okay, so
Nice.
yeah, and it's already merged. So
Wow.
Very nice.
That's
Well done. Nice. That's a great. This obviously paying dividends already. It's a quick
Yeah.
return on investment. Okay, all right. So let's find that CI file. That's brilliant.
okay. Go to the files changed on
Files changed.
on the right. Yeah.
There it is. There it is.
And then you can click on the right hand side. No. Click on the right hand side. Right, extreme right. 3 dots. Yeah. View file. Because you don't want all the extra thing. And here you can say row. Click on the row on the right hand side.
Right hand side. Raw. Yes. Okay.
That row.
Yeah. Oh, right. Okay.
And then you can copy paste this from here.
Diabolical stuff. Nice.
Yeah, and I think that's it, right?
So also, what are all these commented out stuff at?
Why are there?
I was asleep when you guys were doing all this, because not asleep, but I was setting them up, so I
the
didn't miss all
schedule
that.
is all, I don't want to turn it on. I
Okay,
just have it there so people know how to turn it on if they want it.
Mm-hmm.
Perl versions.
Yes.
For now, I start with one version. Then the author can decide if he wants to run it on multiple versions. And okay. I have it in the comments so people can. Okay, whatever you.
I just did that because I'm running locally 38. That's this. I can say I've done something other than copy paste.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
And then this is running the container, which container to run, and here it's just setting up the dependencies and then running the tests. And that's
why
it.
is there a gap here? Is that supposed to be?
Probably no, it doesn't matter.
Okay. All right, let's clean it up.
You can have the gap, you can have without gap, doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's just a YAML file.
Okay. All right, so that's done.
Yeah.
Nice.
So you save it, and now create a branch. Once you saved it, create a branch locally.
Should do wrong, to be honest.
Oh, and by the way, I'm looking for sponsors for these events. So people who want to, companies actually. I'm looking for companies. So if any of you work at some company that would like to sponsor these events, that would be awesome because then that could do a lot more of them.
Right, so
I already started to talk to a few, but we definitely need more. Okay, so did you create a branch?
Yeah, I'm in the branch at the moment. Do I need to commit anything? Yeah, look, I'll just call it div.
Sorry?
I've called the branch div, just a random branch. Shall I call it something else?
Well, so in the previous part, it was suggested that call it something that reflects what you actually do here. So,
of course.
So
sorry.
Git yeah. It just
branch. Is it big M?
CI or sorry?
I think it's big M.
I don't know. I git checkout -b and name of the branch. That's how I do this and then I already check it out. But you can also do this way.
Yeah. What's the name you want us to call it? So call it what do you guys call it?
Add CI. The name of the branch.
etc.
add add-ci.
Oh, add. Sorry, add ci.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Done.
Okay. And then okay, add the GitHub folder, git add.github.
Whoops.
Uh-oh.
Don't
So
want
git
that.
remove, close the editor first, I guess.
Okay.
What is this?
I'll just
Okay.
let's
And
get
then
gonna
you
get
can,
rid
you
of.
can just say git remove. What is this?
Git remove.
And the name of that the other file that we don't want.
So,
Yeah, but now you have to GitHub twice. Okay. RM. No, it's just RM.
I think that'll do.
Okay.
I should have deleted it.
Git RM.
Git
Not
rm.
the word remove. Use the force.
Staged.
No.
Not forced.
Oh, it's staged. Huh? What?
STAG.
No, use the force.
Forced.
Force.
Yeah, did the job.
I think so.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. We are on the branch. There.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can commit.
Commit this. And to be helpful. Yeah, okay. Well,
you have extra hands there.
You guys heard it from the horse's mouth. Yes, darling, that is coming. Okay. I just want to pinch off that that commit message that you guys use just to keep it consistent. This one. Is this the nope?
No, not this one.
This one. This one. This was the one that you guys just committed, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
That commit, and it was add CI workflow. Add CI workflow for Perl testing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. And it's just the one file. Yeah. Come on to that. Okay. All right. So what do I do? Push it?
Okay, wait a second. You cloned it from his repository, right?
Yeah.
If you run git remote,
there it is.
That's
this where I
it.
clone it from.
Okay,
Yeah.
but you can't push there, so you have to create a fork on GitHub. So go
okay.
now to GitHub, fork it there.
If I just say
what? No. You need to fork it on the right-hand side.
Far right, yeah.
More to the right and a little higher. Yeah, you create a fork.
Okay.
Okay, so that's in your that's no need nothing. There's no need for that. Just click on big green button. Yeah.
Okay.
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 And now you have to add it as another remote, right? So you click on the code thingy on the top right, yeah, and copy it. But the problem is that you're pushing with SSH.
Right. Yeah, I can do that. I am. So
that's what you use, right?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, hopefully. We'll see.
So do I
git remote add git remote
remote add
the name, let's call it fork because that's the fork.
Fork, yeah.
And space, and then paste the URL.
This bit.
Yeah. So then you can run just, well,
Oops.
now you're just showing the origin. You can do the, just git remote minus v. Without,
Minus v, yeah. Okay.
yeah, okay. And now you can type in git push -u. That will set up the connection, so later on you don't have to say it again and again. Fork, where you are pushing, and the name of the branch, which is add-ci. And that's it.
Fire away, yeah?
Yeah. And then, yeah, okay.
Looks like
Okay.
something happened. Oh, there it is.
Now, okay, so, okay, now let's go to the actions to see if it works. Okay, so now it's running
Oh, right. Okay.
in your repository.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll have to see if it works. If not, so in the previous one we were lucky because it worked immediately. Sometimes it takes a long time till I mean with simple modules it's not a big issue because pure Perl nothing is needed. Okay, sometimes they miss some modules that they don't. It's not in the requirements or whatever. And so there is some back and forth. And there are more complex modules, let's say modules that need a database in order to test them. And that's a lot more involved setting up a CI that also has a database, let's say PostgreSQL there. It seems green. Let's click on it just to see what's going on.
Yeah, looks like it worked.
Yeah, click on it. So let's see the details, the job. Click on the job. On this one, yeah. And then the release tests is the name release test is where the real output is. Yeah. So we can see the tests running. Okay, so you can see that, for example, there is one test that was skimmed.
Skip.
There on the line 35.
Yeah.
I don't think that we need to edit now. Okay, but you can, but it can be added in the CI manually. Say CPAN m install this module, and then in the CI this test will be executed as well.
Okay.
We don't need to do that for now. Let's send the pull request.
Okay. So go to his repo.
It doesn't matter if you go to your repo. That should work as well. I don't know why. Go to not here. Go to the code part, and here you can click on the pull requests on the green one. Yeah. And before we and let's see. Yeah, it is sending to his master branch.
To this one.
I don't know what happened earlier. Yeah, you can see.
Okay.
And you can also add this comment there that you did it in the online session, what we had.
Oh,
and
fantastic.
You can notify me as well.
Where is that?
In the conversation.
That's it.
Yeah. Only the first line you need. Okay. Looks good, no?
Yeah, this looks good. Looks good, mate. So let's just pull the trigger on this now and then wash our hands of it and see what happens.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Now I really hope so. We are basically done with all this. Really hope that how many people are there? 2, 4, 6, 7, and myself. So it's the it's the 7 dwarfs and I'm Snowbite. Okay.
There we go.
Good. So I really hope that you're going to take now and every day spend what 15 minutes, 20 minutes
put in actions
and send one of these. Okay.
Yeah.
find a module and edit the meta information. Just go to the recent ones and do one of these. Or if you don't have every day 15 or 20 minutes, then one day a week, an hour or 2 hours, do a few of these. Within a
That's
few,
brilliant.
I mean, really, within a few weeks, we will get. I mean, you'll see that it's working, and some people react really fast. That we saw. Sometimes they don't react. I have pull requests wait from 15 years ago, still waiting.
Hasn't been touched.
What can we do? Okay, so
Maybe this will attract sponsors as well.
Yeah.
Like seeing something actually happening.
yeah, I mean that's definitely that's this part, and I really would like this thing to so I'll have more of these sessions and more people, and then I mean, real sort of my goal is to have 100 people doing this.
Yeah.
Every week, 2 hours invest. It's not a huge amount of time, like 15 minutes a day. That's basically, and you can set up the easy things, but even writing a few tests, it can take half an hour, depending on what, and slowly you make a lot of improvement.
Yeah. That's
For
brilliant.
sure.
Comments, questions before we finish? I'm really tired already. It's like
Yeah.
10 minutes
That's been that
past
good.
that.
I have
Past
a
it.
question. Can you define sponsor? I mean, kind of like minimum levels types of things, or I'm really.
Let's stop the recording, okay, and then we can discuss this, okay?
Okay.
So anything else that is the code and
I think it was a neat idea because a lot of people are smart, they're capable, but they've never done this before. And as you noted, it seems kind of odd to walk into somebody else's repository and start fussing around with things, but you're actually helping them. And if you're polite about it, people aren't going to bite your head off.
Yeah.
So you just did something useful.
okay, good. So thank you very much for everyone. I stopped the sharing and I stopped the recording. I hope it's recording. It's recording. Okay. Where is the button? Okay. So thank you very much. And well,
Did you think this was useful?
if I think,
No, the guy just did this. I was talking to him.
Jonathan.
Yeah. I thought it was incredibly useful. I mean, in the back of my head, I always thought, yeah, one day I'll start doing this. And I'm particularly interested in making these types of contributions, obviously a bit more complex as time goes by, to Perl as well as like maybe some C stuff with Apache. I just never really got around to it or never been exposed to it in this way. And
So
I
is
think
this
now
something
I'll start doing more of it.
Yeah, I feel the same way.
Okay. Hey, would you be willing to tell people you know that you did this and you would do it again?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I would. I
Sure.
wouldn't be
Please
posting
do
it on
that.
social media, but I would.
Get on wherever you can. A neat thing we did this Saturday was just describe what you just did. And it's one of the good things about it also, just for yourselves, if you're capable of doing this, it's good to put on your resume.
Oh yeah,
That's a
definitely.
good point.
This many pull requests for whatever. Even if the people you're dealing with don't use Apache or Perl or anything, the fact that you're putting pull requests in means you're active. It means you know how to do it, which puts you ahead of a lot of people. So yeah, I think this was a neat idea.
Good.
I second that.
Yeah, I've always wondered, how does this magic process of GitHub work? I know nothing. I've always worked by myself on most any project, anything software related anyway. And it's like turning Brownian motion into actual usable code.